Okay guys, sa araw na to maglilinis tayo ng makina, no. Meron tayong sasakyan dito na Toyota AE86. So ayan, kararating lang nito. Ayan, mapapansin nyo na sobrang dumi. May mga gagawin tayo mga modification dito, pero bago yan, syempre dapat linisan muna natin. Itong sasakyan na to matagal nang na-stock. Kaya naman kung mapapansin nyo, puro na dumi at yung iba naman kinakalawang na rin. Lilinisan natin yan gamit ang engine steam wash. Sa tulong ng aking kasama, ipapaliwanag niya sa ating lahat kung paano nga ba ginagamit itong engine steam wash. Okay, ang first step natin, dapat nakasaksak muna yan sa electricity, no? Para gumana yung ating makina. So dito, meron tayong dalawang hose. Yung dry at saka wet steam na tinatawag. So ito naman ang ating switch para dito sa machine. You have to switch on.
Switch on this one. And trusting 6 kilowatt.
Then 6 kilowatts.
6 kilowatt. It will take time because 9 kilowatt it will more consume electricity and it's faster.
Yeah.
It's faster. But 6 kilowatt it's okay.
Okay.
You can use it. Then if it is on, you must close these both valves.
Both valves should be closed.
Closed. Then come here. When you on this one, heating process.
So
Okay, heating process
it's
is
blinking,
happening.
It's blinking.
Okay. Add water. If there is no water inside, it will blink.
Yeah, the indication.
The
lamp,
water
yeah.
tank. The water is low. If there is overheating, this will blink.
Yeah. Black water.
Black water. If there is no water,
yeah.
the same thing. Same thing. This one.
Okay.
It will
Then
blink.
before you do that, you
Have to add water.
water here.
Water here.
Okay.
You can connect this to this
Directly on the
directly on the
yeah.
pipeline, or you can fill through this one.
Okay. Also, there's an indicator for power.
Yeah, power. If it is switched on, it will not come off. You have to press the on button.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Steam, pressure inside the system. You have to press and hold like this to release all the pressure.
Okay. Let me clear. After I'll use this machine, I need to release the pressure.
Pressure inside,
Pressure.
not the water.
Yeah, the pressure.
The pressure inside, you have to release it.
Then how?
You hold it.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
What should I hold it?
This one.
This gun.
This gun you have to hold it like this
Okay.
to release the whole pressure.
So hold like this to release the pressure.
Release the pressure.
Okay. This one is
This one is for this wet steam.
wet steam. Separate gun.
Separate one.
Okay. So this is for wet gun, and this is for
The dry gun.
dry gun. Okay. This is the temperature,
Pressure and then this is the pressure.
and this is the
It's
pressure.
a kg plus a degree square.
Okay. This one is good.
Yeah, good.
Okay. This is wet.
Not right steam.
Need a cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light.
It's the distributor.
Move fast and climb, a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Okay guys, ayan, mapapansin nyo, no? na mabilis lang siyang matuyo dahil nga dry wash yung ginamit. Yang dry wash na yan, kahit na mabasa pa yung electrical component, ay hindi makakasira sa ating mga makina o dun sa mga electrical components na tinatamaan nito. Okay, tapos nang linisin yung makina. Kung mapapansin nyo, nire-release na lang niya yung pressure na naiwan sa makina. So, ayan, nakapatay na yung kanyang makina mismo.